Welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about agile methodology, how it's work in real time, what are the 12 principles and how teams use it daily. In this video we will try to cover understand agile, a scrum, a sprint meeting and backlog. Since the topic is a bit long, I have divided it into two parts to make it easy to understand. Let's start it first. I will explain what is the agile. Agile is a way of working where teams work collaboratively, delivers a small parts of a project a step by step, take regular feedback and adapt quickly to changes. Its focus on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. What is the agile methodology? Agile methodology is a process used mainly in software development to break large work into a small task called a sprint. Have daily team meeting to track progress, deliver working software faster, get client feedback after each sprint. It replaces traditional long project plan with uh, flexible and faster planning. I will explain you one a small real-time example. It's easy to understand. Let's say you are building a mobile app for online food delivery. In traditional method, you will plan everything for 6 months and then deliver. In agile, you will divide it into parts. That parts be called a sprint. A sprint 1 create login and sign up. In a sprint 2 add food items and category. A sprint 3 add cart and payment. A sprint 4 add order tracking. After each sprint you show the app to the client, take feedback and improve the next version. Now I will explain you our next topic. What is the 12th principle of agile with example. Our first is customer satisfaction is the highest priority. Simple. Make the customer happy by delivering useful software early. I will give you one example. An e-commerce company release a basic shopping app in 2 weeks instead of waiting 6 months for a full version. Second, welcome changing requirement even late in development. So don't panic if the client asks for the change later. Be flexible. Example: a client requested dark mode just before release. The team adds it in the next sprint without complaint. Our third principle is give a small working version of software regularly. Example: Instagram introduced one feature at a time, likes, reels, then shopping, then subscriptions. Our fourth principle is business and developer must work together. Keep communication daily between teams and client. In daily scrum call, tester, developer and product owner all share update and resolve blockers. Our fifth principle is that build project around motivated. Simple. Trust the team to make decision and deliver. A developer choose the best approach for login system instead of waiting for the manager approval. Our sixth principle is face to face conversion. Sorry, face to face conversation is the best. Talking directly and clear the doubt faster. Suppose a tester explain a bug on a call, the developer understand it immediately and fix it in the same day. Our seventh principle is working software is the primary measure of a progress. A working product matters more than a documents or reports. During the sprint review, the team show a live demo instead of just showing PowerPoint slides. 8. Maintain a constant pace. Don't overload the team. Keep a steady, healthy speed. The team agrees to take 5 user story in one sprint to avoid overtime and burnout. And ninth, continuous focus on technical excellence. Keep your code clean and quality high. Team holds code review and removes unused function to make the app faster and easier to maintain. And our 10th principle is the art of maximizing work not done. Do only what is needed, no extra feature instead of building a full. Our 11th is self organizing teams create a best design. Let the team manage their own work and decision. In let's example, in a sprint planning, team member pick their own task based on interest and a skill without a manager assigning them. So, and now our 12th principle is reflect regularly and adjust behavior. After each sprint review what went well and what did not. In this retrospective meeting, the team decide to improve estimation after missing deadline in last sprint. So I hope you guys understood this all the 12th principles. So I try to explain in very easy example. Now our next topic is life cycle of agile methodology. I will try to explain you guys in with very easy language with very easy examples in real time example. So one by one we will go. First is requirement gathering. What happened in this? We understand what client wants and collect all the needs. Example, client say, I want an app to order cakes online with delivery tracking, online payment and users review. So first is requirement gathering. Second is design. We create a blueprint UI design and plan how the app will look and work. Examples, see home screen show the cake category, cart page layout is design, flow how to log in, how to select the cake, how to add to cart, how to payment, how to track the order. So now design looks like a Figma. Now, third is development. Developers start coding the app based on the design. So, in we will split this development part in a sprint by sprint. Suppose in a sprint one, we will develop the login and sign up working. Second sprint, cake catalog and a screen built. Third sprint, cart and payment and gateway. So in this front end plus back end development happens here. So now our fourth is testing. So tester tests the app to find the bug and make sure it works as expected. Does login work with correct credential? What happen if wrong password is entered? What happen if payment is stuck in between? So manual and automation testing can be used here. Now third, deployment sorry fifth, deployment. The app is deployed to production or made live for users. Example, the cake delivery app is published on Play Store or App Store and user can download and use it. Our last step is review and maintenance. After release, the app is monitor, feedback is collected and bug are fixed or new features is added. So example, user say add wallet payment. A small bug in delivery tracking is fixed. App is updated regularly to stay smooth and fast. So that's all for this video on what is agile methodology. In the next part, we will cover why agile is used, what is a scrum, what is a sprint, and the different agile meeting like daily stand up and retrospective. So stay. Thanks for watching. I don't forget and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.